It's encouraging to give a discount to your loyal parent, and it's quick and easy to apply a discount to users' invoices with schoolBic school management system. To set up the system for discount, you would have to create a discount code. Navigate to the special task menu and click on the fee discount function. From here, you can see the discount you have created in the system. An admin or user with access to the discount module will be able to edit or delete a discount using the blue or red button. You can search for a discount using the search bar from here. If you have many discounts in the system, to create a fee discount, click the Add Fee Discount button and enter the discount name. Description: discount code. schoolBic support both percentage and fixed value type of discount. Simply select which one you'd be using. Enter the discount amount and select the enable code. Then click the Add Fee Discount button to create a fee discount. To assign a discount to a user, click on the Assignment button and switch to the Add Discount Assignment tab. You can apply a discount code to invoices, classes, or specific students. When done applying the discount, click the Add Discount Assignment button and your discount will automatically be applied to the invoice, classes, or specific students' fee. You can view the discount assignment and who the discount code is assigned to from here. You can remove an assigned user by clicking on the bin button. To disable a discount code, you would have to edit the discount and change the discount status to disabled. Then click the Edit Fee button to save your changes.